I would say that this is an opportunity for basically becoming a better version of you as a creative professional.
The programme set me up with education, information. It set me up with a network to carry out my plans for the future. So an understanding of what my plans for the future are and the means by which to carry it out. And a bit of a confidence boost thrown in to sort of get me over the hurdles.
One of the things that I've found brilliant, fantastic actually, is working with the mentors.
I'd say one of the biggest things I would have taken out of this was my relationship with Abby Morgan. I think meeting her and my mentoring with her I would go as far as pushed my career in such a positive direction.
The network was important, and now that we have all met, we all would like to stay connected. So the network is, I think, the best part of it, and also being aware that we are representing a wonderful country. This word representing Wales is very important, and it will remain important.
Being able to come here to Llenyddiaeth, to meet the others from the cohort personally and spend some time has just been so valuable.
Eitha lot o'r comisiynnau dwi wedi cael wedi dod off gefn wneud y rhaglen yma, achos mae jyst wedi cael enw fi mas na, really.
In terms of, making me feel part of the Welsh writing scene, I think that's what the various masterclasses have allowed me to do.
It's been really useful having the meetings with agents, the meetings with editors, the meetings with publishers.
I think it has helped me hone in on what my voice is and what my niche is and the things that I would like to say.
Ond nawr fi'n credu bod gen i sens mwy o beth yw fel llais fi.
It's given me permission to write and to talk about the things in my own experience.
I've been allowed to find my voice in a way that hadn't been the case when I first started, because I was just writing in a different way, which would be very much to what would be expected of me.
I've got a literary manager. I don't think that would have happened without Literature Wales and without this opportunity.